and a Lightshoot, and with the connection between Firefox and Lightshoot. Here we just open the Firefox. As you can see, I opened. Go for it. Type here you have to type here Lightshoot. Select it. It is asking for a verification. You have to just verify this. Okay, I'm not sure. It will take a while for loading. Okay, we have to select the images with cross walls. Select the images with cars. We have to verify this. So we are verified. You have to, after the verifying, you have to click the first link. Here you can see I'm opening the Lightshoot. So here we add the official website of a Lightshoot. You can see here are option various platforms. You can see there is showing that Lightshoot is available for Microsoft Windows or Mac or Chrome, for Firefox, IE, Opera. So here we can see that it is clearly written that we can also find Lightshoot on Firefox. Click on the Firefox. Here we got a page. You can see here are option that add to a Firefox. There is the extension of a Lightshoot that we can add on a Firefox. You can add it by just simply clicking this. So this is the link between Firefox and Lightshoot, and we can also add a Lightshoot extension on our Firefox. So I'm adding this, and here we got Lightshoot extension on our Firefox. So that's it. That's what I'm trying to show you in this video. Thanks for watching this video.